How do you do, everybody? Happy Sunday. I'm sure you're all in the midst of services right now and reflecting upon the sins that you may have committed in the previous week. Sorry, I couldn't keep a straight face. I promised an update on the Feuling Dipstick, and I just put, it was about 60-something miles down to 60, 70, 80, about 170 miles on today. And I love it. I some of you said that you have it, and you think you must be losing your mind because you feel like there's a difference in performance. It's not like I feel like more horsepower, but I do feel better throttle response. So some of you said that. I do feel like the motor comes on quicker. And it just seems, especially at high RPMs, it's just happier. It's a bizarre sort of feeling. Some of you said the same thing. Let me know if you think I'm completely insane. Again, 170 miles. The last bit was basically 80 for the last 50 miles of it was just flat out 80, 85 mile an hour. Got home and checked the, I don't like holding this. Checked the filter thing at the bottom, and it's completely dry. So it's not spitting oil out. So I told you that pathing thing that Feuling recommends, where it kind of goes all the way up, all the way over, and back down, so that the oil will go up, and then probably there's not enough pressure to get all the way around, and it just goes back. So that seems to be the case. So yeah, huge fan of the Feuling Dipstick. So there you go. One viewer did recommend checking out where to get it. The Dipstick's $279 from Feuling directly, but if you check out Fuel Moto USA, they sometimes have some good prices on stuff that they can't even advertise. I know that because I bought intakes and pipes and stuff, so no relationship or anything with Fuel Moto. I just know they have good prices. So Fuel Moto USA is a good place to get it. Also, their shipping's fast and stuff too. So that's it. This is a 2-minute video. I should talk about something else. Let's talk about cigars. No, can't do that either. You notice when you watch Netflix, it says like rated R because of smoking? Anyway, I don't want YouTube to ban this video, even though there's a cigar burning right there. All right, that's it for today. Just wanted to say hi and check in on the Feuling. I still recommend it. Pick one up if you got a Milwaukee 8, especially since this 117 is cam. Some of you out there helped me realize that cam is making a lot of my blow-by. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. Take care of each other. We'll talk sometime soon. I got some stuff showing up on Tuesday, so I know I'll do a video then, but we'll see if anything else pops up between now and then. A bit of brilliance pops up in my mind. See ya. Bye.